Chào mọi người, hôm nay chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn lại một số câu tiếng Anh đã học ở trong bài ending sau vừa rồi nha. Mình sẽ đọc chậm trước, sau rồi mình đọc nhanh. Mình đọc lần từng câu một này. Did you go to his graduation? Did you take a picture? Why can't you be punctual? Don't you like nature? Actually, this is the fortunate situation. Why do you travel by train? Have you traveled to Turkey? I told him 100 times not to ring and drive. He bought the bottle the water. He met her at the computer store in Seattle. It'll be better if you tell the waiter get down. It's only 20 minutes from center. I will shorten the curtain. I'm certain that is curtain. Cotton. Trying to better than yourself yesterday. I bought the bottle. It's a pity that he's getting fatter and fatter. Peter will try to stay out of trouble. Mình vừa rồi là mình đọc chậm. Bây giờ mình sẽ chuyển sang đọc nhanh các câu này, là lượt cái câu này nhé. Mình đọc này. Did you go to his graduation? Did you take a picture? Why can't you be punctual? Don't you like nature? Actually, this is the fortunate situation. Why do you travel by train? Have you traveled to Turkey? I told him 100 times not to ring and drive. He bought the bottles of water. He met her at the computer store in Seattle. It would be better if you tell the way to get down. It's only 20 minutes from center. I will shorten the curtain. I'm certain that is cotton. Try to better than yourself yesterday. I bought the bottle. It's the pity that he's getting fatter and fatter. It's the pity that he's getting fatter and fatter. Peter will try to stay out of trouble. Xong. Chúng ta vừa cùng nhau ôn lại một vài câu tiếng Anh đã học ở trong bài ending sau. Xin cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi và xem clip của mình.